How to rejoin a Telegram group that you have left. Hey everybody, if you are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you through different steps in order to do so. First of all, let's head over to Telegram application and open it up and log in into our account, and you will be finding chats on your home screen. Now you may head over to group that you think, you know, that you may have left. So if you would like to rejoin the Telegram group, one of the method available is once you go ahead and look out for the leave option, you may just go ahead and undo. If that undo option is available, you can do that option. Or if you have saved the invitation link, that is one of the most easiest way you can access the Telegram group. So if you've saved the invitation link, you can basically head over to the link and tap on it, and it should directly head you over to a group that will help you rejoin the Telegram group that you're looking for. Otherwise, you need to ask for a member. So right now, I have asked one of the members available from a group. So you can just go ahead and ask them for a link. After that, you can tap on the link available, and once you tap on the link, you will be finding option called Join Group. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to the group that you're looking for, and that way you can rejoin a Telegram group that you've left. If you are an admin and have recently left, you can look out for recent actions if available, and it might show an option to rejoin, and that way you can just go ahead and rejoin a Telegram group that you have left. So if you have left the group and you're looking for, the only way available is asking the person directly, the admin directly, and that way is also possible. For now, you may just follow this process to rejoin a Telegram group, and that's it. That's it for today's video. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.